Hi there! Welcome to Docentes Digitales TV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're exploring a magical and effective way to improve your English: learning with Disney movies. Disney movies are perfect for beginners because they're fun, engaging, and filled with clear, simple dialogue. Whether it's a classic like The Lion King or a modern hit like Frozen, these movies are a treasure trove of useful vocabulary, common phrases, and everyday expressions. Plus, who doesn't love a little Disney magic while learning? One of the reasons Disney movies are so effective is their storytelling. The characters use simple, emotional language to connect with the audience, making it easier for beginners to understand. For example, when Simba says, "I just can't wait to be king," you can feel the excitement in his tone. This combination of emotion and language helps you remember phrases better. Disney movies are also great for learning key expressions. For example, in Frozen, you hear Elsa say, "Let it go," a phrase that's short, memorable, and easy to use in everyday conversations. Or in Finding Nemo, Dory's line, "Just keep swimming," is a great motivational phrase that sticks in your mind. Here's how to use Disney movies to improve your English. First, start with subtitles. Begin by watching with subtitles in your native language to understand the story. Then, switch to English subtitles to match the words to the sounds. Finally, try watching without subtitles and rely on the visuals and context to guide you. Second, pause and repeat lines. Disney movies are full of catchy phrases and songs. If you hear a line or a lyric you love, pause the movie and repeat it out loud. Try to mimic the character's pronunciation and tone. This will help you practice speaking naturally. Third, focus on songs. Disney songs are not only catchy, but also packed with useful vocabulary and simple sentence structures. Singing along to songs like A Whole New World or Under the Sea is a fun way to practice pronunciation and rhythm. Disney movies also introduce you to cultural elements and values, giving you a deeper understanding of the language. You'll learn how characters express love, friendship, bravery, and humor, all in a way that's easy to relate to. Here are a few tips to make the most of your learning. Pick your favorite Disney movie and watch it multiple times. Each time, focus on a different aspect, like vocabulary, pronunciation, or how characters interact. Write down new words or phrases and practice using them in your own sentences. For example, if you hear Hakuna Matata, you can use it in a lighthearted way to say, "No worries." And most importantly, enjoy the process. Learning English with Disney movies is supposed to be fun and magical. The more you enjoy it, the faster you'll learn. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes Digitales TV for more fun and practical English lessons like this one. By subscribing, you'll never miss a chance to turn your favorite Disney moments into powerful English learning tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.